how to fix ChatGPT login problem. If you're facing issues while trying to log in to ChatGPT, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing we will do is we will make sure it is not the issue with our internet connection. So whether you're using on phone or your laptop, make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working just fine. Second, depending upon whether you're using the app or the web version. So if you're using a web, clear the cache files for that web. On PC, I can just click the three dots icon from the top right hand side and I can simply go towards settings. From settings on the left hand side, I can go to privacy and security and select delete browsing data. Then from here, I can select all time and select the cache, images and files and click the delete data. On app, you can try to uninstall or reinstall the app. If none of these are still not helping you solve your problem, chances are you could have entered an incorrect credentials. So on the login page, you want to make sure that the email address that you're typing in is correct, and after that the password you're entering is also correct. Sometimes you could have linked your account with Google, Apple or your phone number. So in that case, it would be wiser to just log in using those. If you forgot your password, you can also try to reset it. And these are the steps on how you can hopefully fix if your ChatGPT account is not being able to log in. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.